Welcome back, guys. So before I start with this recipe, I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has been a support to this channel. I really appreciate you all. So if you are watching me for the first time and you haven't subscribed already and you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to join my YouTube fam and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon, and anytime that I upload a new video, you are going to be notified that there is a new video in Rema Healthy Way. So today I am going to share a very simple recipe, okay, with only 3 ingredients. I'm going to use sugar, lemon juice, and pineapple. I am making pineapple jam, a very, very, very easy recipe. So I'm a lover of pineapple, and for that reason, I always have pineapples at home. So, and when I'm going for pineapples, I actually, if you've been watching me for some time now, I actually go for the big ones unless I meet the smaller sizes and I have no choice than to get them. But I always go for the big ones because that's what I like. So I have this big pineapple over here, and this is what I'm going to use because I want my jam to be a little bit more. I want to keep it in the fridge for some time, and yeah. So after peeling off my pineapple, what I am going to do next is to blend and to leave a little portion of the pineapple. I'm going to cut them into smaller sizes or into chunks and then press it because I am going to need it in the middle of this recipe. Okay, so don't forget that the peels or the back of the pineapple is medicinal, and for me, I don't throw them away. I always wash them and keep them in the fridge. Anytime I need it, I go for it. So note that you can keep this as well in the refrigerator and boil with lemon and other things, okay, like cinnamon, and then drink it. So this is it for weight loss. Don't forget, and for other health benefits, you can see a video of that on this channel, a short video actually. So this is the chunk that I left for my recipe. So I'm going to blend my pineapple now, and I'm using smoothie program because this is what, I can use soup program as well, but I think it's going to be so thick, so I'm using smoothie program, and this is how it looks, as you can see. So then I'm getting it ready. My recipe is starting now. Then what I am going to add next to this is my sugar. Okay, so looking at this consistency, it's quite impressive because I don't have to wait more for the liquids to be drained out or something like that. So this is my sugar, and I'm also going to add the lemon juice in the middle of this recipe, and I'll also add the chunks to it. So because I want to feel that chunk in it, right? Because it really gives it a good feeling when you put it on your bread, yeah. So at this point, I've already added my chunks to it. You can see it over here. Then I am going to add lemon juice to it. Okay, so if you are looking at this very well, you'll see the changes that my jam keeps changing, okay? It keeps changing as time goes on, and I'm not going to leave it to rest. I'm just going to be I'm going to be stirring it from time to time. Intermittently, I'm going to do this because I don't want it to burn or change in taste or the smell or anything, which is very important. So at this point, you just have to take it off fire and let it rest, and you can just keep them in the refrigerated, and you can use it with any kind of bread that you choose. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So until I come your way again, here is Rema Healthy Way. Bye.